Mansory Emperor facelift Rolls-Royce. Of course, you should also have the facelift forged carbon. And Mansory have gone all out. They have like 5 cars here at Top Marques Monaco. Facelifted Cullinan. I really like how they match this one with the upper ones. Really nice. Insane Purusangue. And the Landaulet. And the G-Wagon. Oh yeah, I forgot. And the Revuelto. I thought it was what do you say? I thought it was yeah, I don't know what it was. Like Aventador or something. This one almost takes the prize for craziest conversion. I mean, Landau